Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting exponential math problem, which is 6 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to 27. X is equal to what? So if you think x is equal to 1, so both sides not equal. But if you think x is equal to 2, this time you can easily 27 is equal to 27. So our final answer x is equal to 2 in this exponential expression. But how to solve this interesting math problem? So I solve this question easy method. This is our math solution. Our question, which is 6 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to 27. This is our question. Now this 6, and if I evaluate this 6, it will be 2 times 3 bracket whole to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to 27. Now at this moment we know that ab whole to the power n, which is a to the power n times b to the power n. If I apply this exponential math formula here, so this is 2 to the power x times 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x is equal to 27. Then this is 3 to the power x and this is 3 to the power x. So at this moment you can say here 3 to the power x is common. So if I take here 3 to the power x is common, so this divide this is 2 to the power x, and this divide this is 1 is equal to 27. Now how to solve this expression? This is 27. Now at this moment I evaluate this 27. This is 3 to the power x. So which is 3 to the power x times 2 to the power x minus 1. Then this 27, it will be 9 times 3. 9 times 3, this is 27. You can easily 9 times 3, this is 27. Then this is 3 to the power x, and this is 2 to the power x minus 1. And this 9, you can easily it will be 3 to the power 2. Because of that, here is 3 to the power x. This is 3 to the power 2 times 3. Now if I compare both, this is 3 to the power x, this is 3 to the power 2. Both are same, but this is 2 to the power x minus 1, this is 3, this is not compare. So at this moment how to compare both? So if I think this is 3 to the power x times 2 to the power x minus 1, this is 3 to the power 2, but these 3 you can see that it will be 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, it is 3. Okay, now this is 3 to the power x times this is 2 to the power x minus 1, and this is 3 to the power 2, but at this moment you can say that it will be 2 to the power 2 minus 1. 2 to the power 2 minus 1, this is 4. Now at this moment I compare both easily. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. So if I compare both, it will be 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 2. Now here base is same, so you can easily according to exponential formula exponent is equal, so x is equal to 2. This is our answer. And if I compare both this and this, it will be 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 2 minus 1. This cancel, it will be 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2. Then here x is equal to 2. So we are find out both solution x is equal to 2. This is our final answer. So our question is 6 to the power x minus 2 to the 3 to the power x is equal to 27. This is our question. But remember that x is equal to 2. So it will be 6 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2. This is 27. Now 6 to the power 2, this is 36 minus 9 is equal to 27. 3 to the power 2, this is 9. Now 36 minus 9, it will be 27 is equal to 27. So left hand side and right hand side, both sides is equal. So you can easily x is equal to 2. This is our final answer in this exponential maths Olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoy this math problem, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care everyone.